we are on the set of Designing Christmas. We're kind of up, well, not kind of, we are completely behind the scenes. I'm dressed in Stella's clothing, and I'll just give you a couple little like sneak peeks and take you on a little tour of the sets. So come this way. So this is Stella, my character, buys her great-great-grandmother's home and fixes it up, and this is the final kitchen that's all done.
What we had to do here was try to marry the whole idea of it's a Victorian house, but these are professionals who do this, so it has to have a really clean look to it while paying homage to the look of the house. So, you know, we have the Victorian green, we've got these great countertops that I love every time we see them.
The paint was a color that she actually found underneath the cabinet fixings from way back when her great-great-grandmother owned the home. And then we have obviously all the touches of Christmas.
HGTV inspired us through the viewer, actually. We realized that any viewer, they're gonna have an appreciation and knowledge of how all this goes together, and they're gonna have an appreciation and knowledge, just an eye for the design and the details.
The backsplash here. So, ta-da, this is it.